this is just gonna be like a midnight run. Just gonna cruise around town, see what I could run into. There's a pretty cool little touge area. This is my other car that I have besides the 240, 2013 Scion FRS. Just to let some of you know that are interested, I'm using the new GoPro 7 Black with the Hyper Smooth. Currently, I think it's running 4K at 30 frames per second with the Hyper Smooth stability on. One thing that's like kind of annoying about the FRS, I don't know if this is like true on asphalt, but over here in Texas, a lot of the roads out here are made out of concrete. It's like, I don't know, there's like a lot more road noise. I don't know if anyone else with like a BRZ, FRS or whatever, like experience a lot of road noise, but yeah, one thing annoying about it. But yeah, this FRS, 100% stock. So stock, everything, tires, wheels, suspension. So for it being stock how it is, 6 speed, I mean, it's fun. It's really fun. It really reminds me a lot of like the same handling and like weight feeling, if that makes any sense, is like my 240. It's probably around the same horsepower too, to be honest. So but yeah, nah, this thing is super fun to drive. Just wish I had a little bit more, but I don't know. We'll see if maybe something could be done with that. right, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video coming up. It is gonna be taking a closer look at the Houston takeovers that go down, as well as a little bit of street racing. But that'll be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching.